Pumpkins, pumpkins. deceivement.
Yeah.
The deceivement. 4.7 ounces versus 4.8.
Wow.
Capitalism, baby. Yum. Well, let's get out. Wow.
So like the eyes will go here and abdomen, but I think I want like to paint some jewels on it. So it's got like rubies and sapphires on the abdomen or something.
Nice. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love it. There's some sparkly paint in there as
Yeah.
well. Yes, some like iridescent paint. So that should be fun.
Yeah, I was just thinking of that.
Mine is just a base. I think I'm gonna do like a Coraline themed one. Spider. Wow. Whoa. He wasn't kidding. Ah. 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 Okay. So he wasn't joking. I love it. Wow, you got some diamonds, some rubies, some gold.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. Wow, I love the brown too. Dimensional art. Here's mine, the finished product of mine. Don't look at that cat. Don't look at the cat, but look at Coraline. Very good, very good. In my opinion, with her dowsing rod, all right, and the hand. Hi. So it's November 1st. Happy November. I wanted to close out this video actually and just say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was fun. I did a lot this week. This was the first week that I had off from school. So, you know, I'm trying to throw myself into this. And on top of that, I was rewarded for doing that by I have 118 subscribers as of right now, and the video that I just posted has 1.1k views, so thanks, thanks, oh my god, oh my god. I am so thankful to you guys for joining my community, this little community that I'm trying to curate for myself and for you guys as well, honestly, as just like a little cozy place to hang out. So I hope that you enjoyed the very cozy vlog. For 100 subscribers, I was actually wanting to do a giveaway, so a giveaway announcement, maybe, just a start of and like maybe a little sneak peek, because I went and I bought some stuff that I was like, this is so cute. So these are just a few things that are gonna be included in the giveaway. I'm trying to figure out how I wanna do that. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be through comments actually, and not like you have to follow me here and here. As long as you're subscribed here to my channel on YouTube and you leave a comment letting me know that you want to participate in the giveaway, I will put your name in the running, honestly. So you can do that on all my videos because my channel is so small. So do it on whatever ones you guys want. I'm gonna say 1 entry per person. If you create fake accounts, Karma is watching. Karma's a bitch. She's watching you, okay? Anyways, this is some of the stuff that I wanted to give away. So I picked up a little journal with a little bow on it. It's so cute. It's just lined. I thought that maybe you guys could have a crochet journal because I wanted one and I do have one now. So very fun, very cutesy, very demure, very mindful. And with that, I actually got some planner stickers. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare and everything and how bad it is on that side, but they're so cute. They're adorable. I love them. I love them so much I got one for myself. So twinsies. So that's gonna go with that right now. And then I'm still debating on what else to give away. I'll probably give away some yarn, possibly from my own collection because I have yarn that I don't know if I plan on using. And then like some more new things, you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know what's in the giveaway box and stuff like that. So this is just a heads up. I don't even think I'm gonna put it in the title or anything like that. So the real ones know what's up. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching and for hitting that like button and that subscribe button, which if you haven't already, what are you doing? Just saying, we have a good time here. It's very calm. It's very calm. So while you're sticking around, might as well go check out some of my other vlogs and or challenges. Those have been fun. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for videos. Leave them down in the comments. And if you're new here, say hi. Say hi. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys very much. Thank you for coming back, and we'll see you next time. Eh? Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. Bye.